how to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to $2,000 per month, and you won't need any skill. You will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search, and for that we are going to use Google Maps. Then you will go to fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver the service instead of you delivering it. So guys, I'm going to take you in a step-by-step tutorial on how you can do what I've just said. So here, open your Google browser or whatever browser you'd like to use, then open Google Maps, and then you go to Google Maps and you go to the search, then type the United States, because that's the market we're going to target in this explanation or in this tutorial, because that's the best market you can target in this kind of methods or in this kind of businesses. So here, let's zoom in on the United States. Here, zoom in and make sure to choose one city or one state to target. So here, for example, I'm going to choose Wisconsin, for example. You can choose whatever city you'd like. For me, I'm going to choose Wisconsin in here, and then I'm going to go again to the search and just type whatever kind of small business I'm looking for. For example, I'm going to type plumber here, plumber, then click on search to see all of the available or all of the near plumbers in the area. So here, as you can see, we have a lot of results in the search, so we can go through each one of these profiles and explain to you the best profile to reach out to or the best profile to spend your time on. So the first thing I want you to look for in the profile is the reviews. Make sure always the profile has less than 150 reviews. If they have more than that, you can just skip that profile. They are way more far from your reach. They have their team managing their Google Maps, so you can just skip them, like for example like this one. And also make sure they don't have a sponsor written in their profile. That means they have someone sponsoring them in Google Maps, which means someone taking care of their profile in Google Maps, and that's the service we are going to offer the clients. So here, let's scroll down, another one with more than 150 reviews, more than 150, and this one has 83. So this is a perfect example of the profiles we are looking for. So here, let's check the profile. Its name is Red Wing Plumbing and Heating, 83 reviews. Let's check their website first, and the reason why we are checking their website is to see if they would need any help with renovating their website or if it's up to date. So here, as you can see, the website is not well put together, but it's not very old either. Let's scroll down. They have this chat to us icon, and these icons are not very good. I think they are just meant to be for the phone. And here, reviews coming soon. So I think they are just making their website, or they started making the website, then they quit in half without even completing the website. Either ways, you are going to reach out to them and see if they would need any help completing their website. That's the first business we're going to offer them. And don't worry, as I said in the beginning, you won't need any skills whatsoever. I'm going to show you how you can deliver the services without even learning to build websites or anything like that. Then let's scroll down to see if we can find any bad reviews in the reviews in order to offer them the service of removing bad reviews. And here we have the first bad review. We built a new home in Red Wing and wanted to keep everything local. Hiring Red Wing plumbing and heating was one big mess. They installed our in-floor heating tubing and all plumbing of including our drain and vent for our kitchen island sink but failed to run water to it. Now we have a column on our island because they had to run water down from the ceiling. And keep in mind, this is a new review. It's from a week ago, as you can see, and the owners or the business owners didn't respond to this review, which means they would be eager to remove this review because it will pop up always in the first because it's still a new one. So that is a bad reputation for the business to have. So you can just take a screenshot, or when you call the business owners, you can just mention this bad review and read some lines of it just to make them be aware of the problem they have here. This review could prevent them from getting a lot of clients, and also it could cause losing a lot of clients. So let's see if we can find another bad review. All bad reviews that you can find are helpful. They will help you a lot in convincing the business owners to purchase your services. So here, this service I'm talking about, which is removing the bad reviews, you can do that for $200. You can ask for $200 or $100 just for removing the bad reviews. And once you get paid from the business owners, you can go to fiverr.com. I'm going to show you how you can deliver the service without even knowing any skills. And this is another bad review. Redoing plumbing worked on my basement remodel, so I called them in June to fix my water heater. That was not working. They told me on the phone that they schedule when they are in my area and have an hour minimum charge. They arrived and fixed my issue in less than 30 minutes but charged me 2 hours. When I was asked why I was being charged for 2 hours, they said they charged for travel time despite never being told this on the scheduling call. I paid for 2 hours but called the office the next day. So this is another bad review, and it means another more bad reputation for the business. And as I was telling you, this is how you can deliver the services without even knowing any skills. So just type fiverr.com in your search and go to this platform, and this is where you can hire freelancers to deliver the service instead of you doing it. And you can hire them for $25, $80. So you can hire this one for $25 in order to remove the bad reviews from this business or this business owner profile. And you will get, if you got paid $100 for that, you will pay the freelancer 25 and you will be left with $75 in your pocket without even doing half of the work. So I think, guys, you get the idea. So just keep implementing the same method to the other profiles until you finish the plumbers, then move on to hair salons or gyms or the other small businesses that you can find. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.